Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am renovating this bedroom set for a client. She wants to paint it to a beautiful color that will match her bedroom a lot better. It's a really lovely and very stylish set, but it does need some love. It's got some damage through the years and they've been poorly painted, but there is nothing we can't fix. So, let's get started. First, I'm removing all the handles so I can center the piece. After that, I'm sanding it with a 120 grit sandpaper. The plan was that we will leave the paint on whenever we can and use it as a base color. However, I quickly have noticed that the paint is easily coming off from this top, so I switched to 80 grit to remove all the paint. From this point on, when the paint was easily coming off, I removed it, and whenever it was firmly adhering to the furniture, I left it on to use as a base color. I was trying to be extra cautious on the high traffic areas like the top and the drawers. After all the sanding and scraping, I gave the piece a thorough clean to remove all the dust. Once the dressing table was prepared, I moved on to the large chest of drawers. Again, I wanted to make sure that the top is done properly, so I removed all the paint off of it, which, as you can see, it came off really easily. The top is a high traffic area, as this is where we usually place some decorations, vase or candles, so I wanted to make sure that it can withstand all the traffic it receives. I then sanded it with a 120 grit sandpaper and then it was ready for priming. As usual, I'm using the best primer that you can get, which is the Zinsser Shellac based primer. After a good stir, I am applying it with a roller, which I found is the best way to apply it. This primer dries extremely quickly, and so when you apply it with a brush, it leaves lots of brush strokes. With a roller, it goes on really smoothly. Next is the fun part, which is painting. My client chose a gorgeous color from Sloan, which is a purple plum color called Rodmell. I wanted to apply it with a roller, however it left tiny bubbles, which I was not happy with. So after a few tries, I decided to stick with my good old paintbrushes. Here is a little background story for you guys. This is a chalk paint, and although I love the color, I had lots of trouble with trying to achieve an even color. Because it is a chalk paint, it effectively acts like chalk, giving an uneven chalk-like color. So if you haven't used chalk paint before, I'd highly recommend doing a thorough Google search as to how it will look. It leaves a beautiful artistic look, but since I love even colors, I struggled to use this paint. After painting, I applied a chalk wax to seal the paint, which I haven't recorded. Had I not done it, every time I touched the furniture, I'd have left marks on it. Also, the paint would have really shown any tiny scratches that I accidentally caused. Well, we have now come to the end of this video. Here's a reminder of how the pieces looked originally. And here is how they look now in their home. I won't lie, this set has given me lots of headache along with the chalk paint, but I am so happy how they turned out. The customer loves the set, the color suits her bedroom perfectly and makes her bedroom so much happier and cozier, which was the ultimate goal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts about the color and feel free to pop down any tips and tricks you have about using a chalk paint. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a few weeks. Bye! P.S. Don't forget to subscribe, please! Don't mind me, I'm just painting in my kitchen on Boxing Day in my pyjamas.